Here's a 2014 Ford Taurus. Not many vehicles are as well-rounded as this Taurus. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Auxiliary audio input, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Motor Trend highlights the dashboard and interior door panels are thickly padded, and the ambient lighting in the interior door pockets and footwells is as trick as in any German luxury car. The Taurus center stack expands out from a deep dash, cocooning the driver almost like a sporty car with a cockpit-style driver's seat. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.